Right, this one is division, but it's also a reading problem more than anything else. So I've seen kids get this problem, and they will multiply 194. Right, I've seen do it. They'll multiply 194. See, let me draw or not. 194 times 4, and one of these is the answer, by the way, you do that. Maybe it's this one, right? And they'll answer A and they'll move on. But it's that you're driving that 1,924 over a span of 4 days. And so, this is where that 4-5A kicks in, right? Which is those visual representations. So you're driving a total of 1,924 miles over a total of 4 days. So it takes you 4 days to do the whole thing. And so how much is each day? And so that denotes division. So we're going to divide 1924 divided into 4 equal parts. And there you go. If you're going to do this with your kids, I would prefer to see this version of division, but make sure they can do it. Okay, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to obviously do the area model, but that's the one. If you're going to go totally symbolic and not do area model, then please at least do that one. Give your kids a shot at that one. So remember, I drew the strip diagram. Cut to 4 parts. There's your 1924 into your 4 parts. I'm going to denote this with the area model, and here we go. 4 times what? So 4 times 100 is 400. No. 4 times 200, 800. Getting closer. 4 times 300 is 1,200. Getting closer. 4 times 400. 1,600, getting closer. But when I go 4 times 500, I'm at 2,000. A little too much, so we know it's 400 first. So bye-bye A and bye-bye D. Plus, and then we know it's going to be an 8, but we don't know that yet. So I'm going to go over here. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times, so you notice I'm in my hundreds here, now my tenths here. 80, and we go all the way down for the sake of time till we get to about 4 times 80, and we're getting 320, and we're going, you know what, because I have, this is 1600, right? I have 1,924 minus 1600, that's a 6. I got a 4, a 2, and a 3. I'm trying to get to 324 as close as we can. When I get to 4 times 80, I'm at 320. So I know that 4 times 90 is too much, because that gives me, what, 360? I'm passing it. So I'm at 80. The nice thing is that that gives me 320. I'm at 324 here, right? I still got how much left? 4. So I know by default, it's not that one. It has to be what? C. And so that's what I like about the area model. It's a nice visual that I get to really pay attention to. So now I got 4 here, and then I know that 4 times 1 is at 4, and I have 481 with no remainder, and so there's my answer. Love the area model. Works until they graduate high school. But if you're going to do anything else, if you're watching the video, I did that little thing over here on this side with that other representation. The kids can do it that way too. Let them do it that way, but this helps me see it. All right.